They are birds, not mammals. They used to be eaten long time ago, but not today. They can fly over kilometers and kilometers. They are best flyers. These are called flamingos. Amazing birds, big ones. In this video, we are going to see some shocking facts about flamingos and 5 countries, top 5 where they are found, and many facts you didn't know about them. Here on Nature Pro TV, Mr. Lee is on the mic. Welcome. Just remember to hit the subscribe button if you have never done it before. Let's dive in. Get to know that flamingos are not mammals because they lay eggs and chicks come there too. As you know, some birds can lay many eggs, but also flamingos, which are best. They live for many years. They are the longest living birds, as they can survive for over 50 years on this planet. This is so amazing. Also, get to know that flamingos can fly hundreds and hundreds of kilometers in a single journey. You know, this is so strange. Flying such a distance without stopping, without pausing, it means they are so powerful. Let's continue. Just remember to hit subscribe button if you have never done it before. Their bright color, pink one, this means they have good life. They have good diet. That's why you will find many flamingos having such color. Also, get to know that flamingos survive in salty lakes where many animals cannot survive, because you will find them in wetlands near lakes, as we are going to see where they are found in big numbers. Also, get to know that a group of flamingo can contain more than 1 million birds. This is so amazing. Also, get to know that it is illegal to hunt, to kill, or to eat flamingo today or in modern times. But long time ago, especially in Roman Empire, flamingos were used to be eaten as very special meat, as very special food. But today, so as to protect them, it is prohibited to hunt, to kill, to eat. But you have to protect flamingos, such species of birds which are amazing. Before we see countries where you can find a lot of flamingos, also get to know that a flamingo can stand on one leg for many hours, which means they are trying to conserve their body heat and reduce the fatigue. That's why when you see a flamingo standing on one leg, that's what it's looking for. Special birds. Now, just check if you have hit subscribe button, and then we see some countries where you will find them in plenty. If you want to visit, if you want to see them, but not hunt, kill, or eat them as it was used a long time ago. On number 1, get to know that a first country where you will find many flamingos is Kenya, especially in or near the lake of Nakuru. This is in Africa. Also, let's see a country which comes on number 2 is Mexico. In Mexico, in North America, you will find many large flamingos which are of Caribbean flamingos. Let's see next country. Next country is France, where you will find some flamingos, especially in the region of Camargue. And get to know France is in Europe. Next country is Chile, there in South America, where you'll find many flamingos or Chilean flamingos just in high altitude lakes. And get to know the next country or 5-1 is India. India, especially in Gujarat, wetland lakes and coastal regions near Gujarat, that's where a lot of flamingos are found. Get to know India is in Asia. Here we are exploring how or about flamingos, amazing birds as you are looking at them carefully, and you will be able to visit them where they are found. We have seen top 5 countries, but also in some countries are found. In the comment section, just tell us what do you think of flamingos, what your wish for next video, and if you like this video, just don't delay to hit the like button and click on share so that you may share this with friends. And also don't forget to hit subscribe button and open the ring bell in order to get notification just after uploading here on Nature Pro TV, especially amazing nature which you have never seen before. Goodbye.